On behalf of everyone at Racklatina, we are truly honored to receive the PartnerNetwork Ecosystem Award from Rockwell Automation at the 2026 PartnerNetwork Conference. Racklatina is an industrial technology partner and Rockwell Automation distributor in Argentina, Uruguay, and Paraguay. We deliver end-to-end solutions from plant floor to the cloud, integrating automation and control, instrumentation, industrial digital technologies, and electrical energy distribution.
We built a multi-agent AI platform to improve response time, coordination, and consistency in how we serve our customers. The platform is integrated into our daily operations. It connects our ticket management system, collaboration tools, and our internal engineering knowledge base. It operates on a secure automation platform hosted on our internal servers aligned with corporate cybersecurity and strict data control standards. Advanced AI models support the system, always based on proven internal technical content maintained by our engineering and technical marketing teams. The platform incorporates Rockwell automation technologies and aligns our technical responses with the broader Rockwell ecosystem, ensuring consistency, accuracy in our recommendations.
This award is special to us because it recognizes our team's commitment to innovation and continuous improvement. It validates the work we've been doing to digitally transform our operations and continuously improve how we serve our customers. It also reinforces our strong alignment with Rockwell Automation PartnerNetwork vision. Thank you again, Rockwell Automation, for this recognition and for supporting us in this journey.